So hey guys, so this is my first video for the channel, and the channel name, as you can see, it's Automate Anything, the QA guy. I've been working as a QA from past 3 years, and I have a little bit of experience which I would like to share with you all. So a lot of my friends have been asking, like, they know how to automate Chrome browser, automate Firefox, automate Internet Explorer, automate Edge. A lot of browsers there they can automate. But in recent, we all know about Brave browser that has been used widely across a lot of the medium. So very few people know how to automate Brave browser. And how can we automate Brave browser? It's a rare thing, and not so much videos you can see in YouTube or in internet, or not so much explanations are there when it is coming to Brave browser in Geek for Geeks or in other sites. But yeah, I also found somewhere in Git, and I would like to share a piece of code with you all and tell you what this code does. So here, let's go with the video. So this is the code I have written to automate the Brave browser, and basically how we are launching the Brave browser. Later we can do multiple things in Brave browser, but the main initial problem everyone was facing was how can we launch Brave browser. So here's a small piece of code. It's not a big deal. It's just a small piece of code. How we are using the Brave browser. How we are automating the Brave browser. So basically, if you see, there's one thing in Brave browser. Brave browser is basically based on Chromium. Chromium that is based on Chrome. We are using Chrome browser from Chromium only. So that opens it's open source thing. So Brave browser is also using it. So simply, I think this thing is everyone has seen this thing. System.set property. What does this thing? It sets the Chrome driver that we are using to automate the page. Right. Second thing, after that, what we are gonna do in this Brave browser is something different. So I think Chrome options. You are aware of what Chrome options do. In options, you can filter out multiple tags are there. So basically, Chrome options is a class which has given us these things. Fine. Then this is just a simplification of options. So basically, what we are doing here is we are setting a binary. Setting a binary means setting a binary path to get the Brave browser. Okay. As I've already told you in the initial, Brave browser is based on Chromium. So set binary is just setting the path for the options, that is the keyword we have taken for the Chrome options. It is setting the path instead of Chrome. If we are taking by default, it will be going for the Chrome thing. Fine. So we need to make sure one thing, that it is taking Brave and not Chrome. I'll show what is the difference between setting this binary thing and what other thing I'm talking about. So when we are setting, I'm setting it in a path which I'm using in local. So I'm having my Brave browser in program file, Brave software, Brave browser. So mostly, if you install by default, this is the path where you will find your Brave browser. So if you want, you can copy the piece of code. I'll give the piece, I'll give the entire code to you guys, and you can copy that one too. Then we have driver equal to new Chrome driver. As again, I have told you, Chrome Brave browser is based on Chromium. So we are taking Chrome driver. The main thing is we are passing a parameter over here, that is options. If we are not passing this parameter, then again it will launch your simple Chrome, not Brave browser. So you need to make sure you're taking this option as a parameter. Then I'm getting the URL, or you can also use navigate.to also instead of taking get. So I'm using just to open the Chrome browser. This is just to manage the timeouts and all. So I'll give in to the program so that you can understand what I mean to say. So if I'm running the program, you can easily see I'm launching the Brave browser and not the Chrome browser. So to verify, you can already see in the bottom, it is Brave browser. You can see over here, it is Brave browser. It's not a Chrome browser. So what will happen if we want to launch Chrome browser instead of Brave browser? Suppose if you don't want to launch the Chrome Brave browser, what will happen? Simply, what you can do is you don't need to pass an option over here, and it will automatically launch a Chrome instead of Brave. So this is the difference I'm talking about. This particular line is only the difference of launching Chrome browser to Brave browser. And lot of people are asking how we are launching the Brave browser, like how to automate Brave browser. It's just simple. Everything will be simple. There is no difference at all except this one line where we need to know how we are automating the Brave browser. So that's it from my end for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give the thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends who are in this field. So we'll meet in the next video with something different. And also put up your questions in the comment to know more about automation, or you want me to give a piece of code to you or to automate anything. As you know, the channel name is Automate Anything. So give me challenge if you want me to automate something different thing. So I'll help you out with that. And if it's a piece of code, you can ask me. You can connect with me in LinkedIn anywhere. So thank you to all of you for watching this video.